in this video we are going to discuss the next topic, menstrual cycle. So the topic is menstrual cycle. This menstrual cycle is also called as oyster cycle, or this menstrual cycle is mainly occurs in case of human beings, apes, etc. Mainly mammalian cases. Okay, and this menstrual cycle help to form the ovum, because the human female or humans are not the seasonal breeders. They will breed throughout the years, and the female has to release the ova every month, once in every month, so that the ova can be fertilized with the sperm and they can fuse to form the zygote. See, this menstrual cycle help to form the ova freshly once in a month in a proper way. How this process will start? This menstruation cycle is generally start at the certain stage of the female, that is called as what? Start at puberty. Okay. When exactly the secondary sexual characteristics will be developed, at that time the menstruation cycle will start. And at this time, every month, okay, nearly about 28 days, this menstrual cycle repeating within the 28 days. So that at that time the ova will release from the ovary and has to reach towards the oviduct, and they have to implant in the uterus. So those process, it starts with the when secondary sexual characteristics will start, or adolescence period, or you can say period of puberty. And when this process starts, okay, the menstruation process when starts in case of female, at that process called as what? The term is called menarche. Is the starting of menstruation cycle. Okay, in case of female, when it starts for the first time, it is called as menarche, and this is possibly occur at the age of 12 to 14 years of the female. It may be varies, 10 years also it is occur, or after 14 years also, but average we can say that 12 to 14 years is the age to attain the menstruation cycle, or to attain the puberty or development of secondary sexual characteristics. So that term is called as what? Menarche. The next term is menopause. It is the process in which this menstruation cycle process completely stops. Okay. So that process is called as what? Menopause, and it is occur between the age 50 to 52 years. This is the age period where this menstruation cycle process completely stops, which means that there is no ova will be released from the ovary. And why these all starting process is fixed in a certain age, and also the ending of the cycle is also fixed in certain age, because of all these things that happen due to the hormone changes. When adolescence period or puberty period will come, at that time the hormonal changes which occur in the female body help to attain or gain the menstruation cycle. And when the hormone, again secretion of those hormones suppose decreased, then it is called as what? Menopause. Okay. And this menstruation cycle occurs averagely 28 days, and these 28 days may be vary in case of every females. Sometimes it is plus or minus 2 days or 1 week also, or 2 to 5 days we can say. Okay. these 28 days means after one ova release, again ova has to be released for the next month. That is averagely we can say 28 days. From one ova will release, the second ova after 20 days it will release. So here it is we can say menstrual cycle takes 28 days. Okay, the complete cycle takes 28 days. And this menstruation cycle, see why this, what is the hormone behind it? Mainly we know that the ovary secretes what? Ovary secretes the estrogen hormone, right? Estrogen or estrogen you can say, or you can be right here estrogen also, the same one, estrogen hormone. And this estrogen hormone is mainly, along with that the LH and FS is also there, follicle stimulating hormone, and this is called as luteinizing hormone, luteinizing hormone, and this is called follicle stimulating hormone. These hormones also secreted by the ovarian wall, and this is also secreted by the pituitary gland, that one we will discuss later. So these hormones also affect on the formation of this starting process or completely ending process. When it starts, these hormones secrete more and more so that every process can be complete in a proper way. And when these estrogen or all secretion decreases, it causes the menopause. See, there are certain you can say the structures will appear in our body which can give us the indication of the menopause. Here during menopause is causes when the body of the female attain to secondary sexual characteristics. Secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, we know that we have the certain characteristics, and during the puberty stage, the second sexual characteristics will start. After the second sexual characteristics, again another way of secondary sexual characteristics will form. Then what are those? The first thing is the hormonal decrease, estrogen decrease in estrogen hormone. Okay. Mood swing means behavior also, the female body behavior also will change, means the mood always not in the same position in every time. Okay, mood swing. And facial hair also is there. We can see facial hair. See, normally we know that the men have the facial hairs more, but here also during this attaining of these menopause stage, there is some of the facial hairs also grow on the face of the female body, because what does the female means have this estrogen hormone more in amount, but they also have testosterone hormone. The ovaries secrete both the estrogen and the testosterone hormone, but we know that male cases we are more using this testosterone hormone, and this is also called as androgen hormone. So this ovary secretes both estrogen and testosterone, but very negligible amount testosterone will form. And that hormone, due to that hormone only, when this estrogen level decreases, okay, very much decrease, then menopause occurs. So that time the testosterone hormone plays some role which help to form these facial hairs and changing in the body shape and behavior and all. So this is the secondary sexual characteristics which form due to the menopause. And this menstrual cycle, okay, events, let us discuss the events which is mainly occur in the menstruation cycle. Right at the top here, events of menstrual cycle. Okay, the total event of menstrual cycle divided into 4 parts. The first is your menstruation. Okay. Menstruation phase. Next one is your follicular phase. Third one, ovulation phase. And fourth one, luteal phase. Luteal phase. Okay. So this is the 4 events or 4 phases through which the complete menstruation cycle occurs. Menstruation phase is the phase in which what? The menstruation cycle unfertilized ova along with the ovarian wall, the endometrium wall rupture out so that they will flow from the bloodstream throughout the vagina. So that is called as menstruation process. This occurs 3 to 5 days in the female body. After that, again the follicular phase reappears, which is also called as follicular phase, also called as proliferative phase. Proliferative means what? Proliferative literal meaning is to form, to repair. Okay. So after the formation, discharge of this unfertilized ovum and breaking down of the ovarian wall, that is endometrium wall, again they have to be reappear. Repair should be happen, so that again when unfertilized ovum or fertilized ovum will come, the endometrium wall acts as a protection wall to that. So that endometrium wall formation and all things, oviduct formation, oviduct release formation, all these things, lining formation takes place, reappears. So this is called as what? Follicular phase or proliferative phase. In the next one is your ovulation phase. Ovulation phase means ovulation process is releasing of the ova. So when all this repairing process completed, the ova will release from the ovary to the oviduct. That is called as ovulation phase. And the last one is what? When ovary released from the Graafian follicle, it has to come, the Graafian follicle comes to the chains to corpus luteum, so that the hormones will release and protect to the fertilized ova. If ova is not fertilized, then the hormone will remain what? Stop their secretion. Okay, and what? They will convert into corpus albicin and the menstruation cycle will occur. We will discuss that one in detail. So this is called as luteal phase, which is also called as what? Secretory phase. Many secretion occur in this phase. That's why it is called as secretory phase. So these are the 4 events of the menstruation cycle: menstruation phase, follicular phase, ovulation phase, luteal phase. In next video, we will discuss about the entire 4 phases with a flowchart diagram and what exactly happens in each of the phases.